Fat loss after 40 is not a calorie problem. It's a signaling problem. If you don't understand what changes biologically, no peptide will save you. After 40, muscle declines. Insulin sensitivity rises. Mitochondria lose efficiency. Hormones shift. Fat loss becomes harder because energy partitioning changes. Okay, here are the three mechanisms: appetite control, lipolysis, mitochondrial signaling. GLP-1, or triple agonist, appetite control. AOD equals weak lipolysis. 5-amino-1-MQ, NAD influence. MOTS-c, mitochondrial signaling. But none replace muscle. Here's the uncomfortable truth. If you lose weight without resistance training, you accelerate aging because muscle is your metabolic reserve. Fat loss without muscle preservation is metabolic decline. Here's the correct order: build or preserve muscle, optimize hormones, improve insulin sensitivity, then layer in peptides. Peptides are accelerators. They need an engine first. If someone asks me, what's the best fat loss peptides? I ask, how strong are you? Because strength predicts metabolic health more than fat loss drugs. Fat loss after 40 isn't about suppression. It's about restoration.